Hello everybody, this here is my Ruger 1022, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made these BX-1 rotary magazine 10 round couplers. So this here isn't any rocket science, it just takes two standard Ruger BX-1 magazines, it comes with the rifle, and it uses this 3D printed part, one screw, one washer, as well as one nut, and it ties them both together, and now you got an extended magazine with 10 rounds, and when you're done, flip it around, and you got another 10 more rounds. This system adds weight to the overall magazine construction, so the magazine drops free each and every time. Because you have this long part protruding out of the magazine, it makes it very easy to load and unload the magazine with just one hand. Download and print these two components on your 3D printer. There's only two. Here are the print settings that I used. For this component, I had this surface being on the bed, so I got built from bottom up like this. And for this component, I had this surface here on the bed, so I got printed up like this. Now go ahead and source these three parts, a screw, a nut, and a washer. I had to buy a bunch of these to make my prototypes, so I would offer these hardware kits on my website. Link is in the description below. Go ahead and seat the washer. If it doesn't snap in, a large Allen key and a hammer will work as well. Next, you need to seat the nut inside the larger component. There's a cutout there, a hex. Drop that in. If it doesn't drop free, just give it a quick push and then use the screw. Thread it in with the Allen key. Then you can seat the nut just by spinning the screw until you feel the resistance. And that's when you know the nut has been seated on the part. You can use a little bit of glue, but I find that friction is sufficient to hold the nut in place. Go ahead, grab your BX-1s, have this notch facing up, just like that. Install this piece, thread the screw in, snug it up, and you're good to go. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps, and have a wonderful evening.